Hello, and welcome to another update video about SUI. So on the SUI chart, we can identify that the price is still struggling. Okay, we are still in the same pattern. We have a choppy and very overlapping move to the upside, which you could say started down here sort of in end of November, right? So we had very choppy price action. This leaves a lot of room for different interpretations. For now, the idea is that we are still moving up in circle 3. We can take a quick look at the long-term chart. You might recognize that long-term chart from previous updates. The structure hasn't changed. The idea would still be that we are in this circle 3 to the upside. It could still extend higher. You see it here, right? I have to say, though, that from a long-term point of view specifically, circle 4 could start at any point, and support is between 199 and 334. Okay, so this is on the logarithmic chart. I mean, we can compare that with the linear chart, which has slightly different support levels. In this case, support for a wave 4 would be located around $3.03. Just need to make sure that we also switched it to linear. Okay, yeah, it's grayed out. So, but I don't trust that, right? I mean, I don't trust it. We could, even if it's on the linear chart, we would label it differently, and I would probably place it at the previous low. So support would be around 285, but I trust the log chart more. Okay, let's go back to the log chart. Maybe I destroyed it now. No, here it is, 199. That's my preferred support level. It gives the chart enough space for a pullback, and especially on a volatile crypto chart, I rather choose to use log over linear. And I said to you already what the support area is. I just have no evidence yet that circle wave 3 has formed the top. What I'd like to see is another 4-5 pattern, though. Another 4-5 pattern, and that could create a major top. The white count, which is more bullish, needs to prove itself. We talked about that as well, but even then, it doesn't matter so much in the medium term if it's the white count or the yellow count. They both move together, and this wave 4 then could be quite a substantial move down anyway, even in the bullish scenario, in that white scenario. Yeah. So for now, the yellow count is preferred anyway, and in the short term, these move together, whether we are in the third wave up at the moment in white or the C wave, doesn't matter. In both cases, I'd like to see another 4-5 pattern. That wave 4 could be an opportunity. The market has certainly slowed down its move up in recent months. On the smaller time frame, however, until we break certain levels, I could still justify further upside extensions in the internal third wave within wave 5 of circle wave 3. This is not high confidence. I'm not adding any additional support areas, or I don't call this a great setup or anything. I'm simply highlighting, well, we might go higher, but I'm very much ready for a wave 4 pullback. Yeah, I would be ready for a wave 4 pullback, for that larger pullback into the support region, but I need a bit of evidence, okay? Because at the moment, the move down is in 3 waves only. That does not yet confirm a top. It just doesn't. With a 3-wave move, and we haven't even broken any support. So I would need to see a break minimally below 392, the previous swing low, and a break below the one before, 350, to get any evidence that a top has formed, okay? Because until we break below these levels, there's absolutely zero evidence that the top is in. So that's still what I'm watching. I mean, if we are moving up here, still in another extension, then the best way to label this, in my opinion, is as an ending diagonal. Here, wave 5s, in this case, wave 5 of circle wave 3, can be diagonal patterns, which means we're dealing with 5 waves in the subwave structures, but they are all very overlapping. And this is an A-B setup, and we could start a C wave now. But the rally from the low is only in 3 waves, so I can't confirm even yet. I can't confirm that a low is in place. So we need to see if the market can hold above the red line. If not, then this is the first evidence, first indication that the floor begins to crack. That's the update about SUI. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.